Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Smeg espresso machine with us today in the shop. And pretty much what had happened is the machine was not sensing any water in the water tank, even if it was filled. And if you tried filling it with it, it would not work. It was a mixture of both the water tank magnet that's on the side of the water tank here. So you can see there's a magnet that goes up and down right here. That was wearing out also, the sensor was wearing out also. So it's a mixture of both. And then we did a tune-up on the full machine, descaling the machine, doing a cleaning cycle on your machine, re-lubricating both the brew unit and the transmission that moves it up and down, replacing all the gaskets and O-rings that are on the machine, also the O-rings and gaskets that are on the top. So now we're going to test all the functions of the machine. We're going to start by making an espresso. We're going to do a double shot. This is on the 3rd setting, and we're using test coffee for this test. As you can see, a good looking shot coming out. Now we're going to test the hot water function using the hot water tab. I'm going to plug that in. We're going to hit hot water. Well, the steam might come out because it is really hot in there. Then you're going to hear the pump start to pump little bits of water through it. You should get a steady stream like that. Last function we're going to try is the milk function. This is ours. We did not receive one with this machine. This is just one we use to test machines out. We're just going to test if the steaming and frothing works. Now we're just going to hit the switch over here, and now it's going to say frothing milk. Here, the pump. As you can see, everything's working well. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.